Welcome to part 1 of the two-part series on ethical advocacy, Australian Solicitors Conduct Rules 2015. While the new rules in various instances recast and reword some of the previously instituted rules, as one might expect, the principles and obligations the previous rules originally imposed remain mostly intact. However, identifying the changes as well as the differences between the two can be difficult, not only because has the wording changed in some instances, but also because some of the headings and divisions within the prior rules have been changed, moved around, or both. Enforcing ethical obligations with the concepts of unsatisfactory professional conduct and professional misconduct still remain. Dishonest and disreputable conduct. Rule 5.1. A solicitor must not engage in conduct in the course of practice or otherwise which demonstrates that the solicitor is not a fit and proper person to practice law. In this hypothetical, you are representing a criminal client who has been charged with robbery. In confidence, he has admitted to you that he did, in fact, commit the robbery. But he doesn't want to go to jail. And he wants you to defend him at trial. In this case, can you continue to act for him in light of his confession of guilt to the robbery charge? The answer is yes, you can. The notion that you cannot act for a client who admits his or her guilt is common, but rather mistaken.